Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm cooking baked chicken breasts for dinner. And you see in here, I season it, and what you see at the bottom here is olive oil. And that's what I base my chicken with to keep it moist and juicy. You see that, you guys? As you know, chicken breast can get dry if you don't cook it right. See, look how juicy that is. So that's olive oil. And then mix a little water and seasoning. And as it continue to cook, then I will drain some of the olive oil off. Then I will put just pieces of butter on each breast so I can have that really good butter flavor with the seasonings on there. So that's what I'm cooking. It's starting to brown. So it got a few more minutes to cook before it be totally done. And get ready for dinner. Okay. And this is my waiting for my water to boil. And this was side I'm having Noah's rice, the chicken flavor with my chicken. So I'm just waiting for my water to boil, you guys, so I can start that. And this is something that I had purchased yesterday when I went to the market. Okay, it's pretty good. You know, I thought it would be something that I would have to suck on a lemon after it or a lime, but it's pretty good, you guys. It's for gut health. Okay, let's see, can I take it over here? Okay, it boosts your moods, it helps you digest, deliver energy, and strengthen your immune system. Okay, so yeah, so I'm starting to drink this. I got this at Kroger's. I think it was on sale for $2.50, and I like it so far. I just bought one because I wanted to try it out, and I like it. So it's good, you guys, and they had different flavors. And so this is the one that I picked, but for some reason I did taste apple cider vinegar in here. I don't know, but the whole bottle is just 80 calories. Okay, guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you that. And hold on. Okay, you guys. I put my rice on with my butter and everything. So I'm going to let that cook down. And yeah, I'm going to show you the finished product. Okay, you guys. Everything is almost done. I'm about to come in and I'm about to stir. Okay. So that looks done. So I'll cut that off. Okay. Okay. There's my chicken. Okay. So I'm finna pour some of this olive oil off, you guys. Make sure my chicken is juicy. Yeah. That's exactly how I like it. Juicy. Okay, you guys. I'm about to pour some of this off. Okay, you guys. I drained some of the olive oil off. Okay, you guys, there's my butter on top. It's starting to melt. And I thank you guys for watching. I'm going to let this cook for 5 more minutes and let that butter melt and get a crust on there. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.